In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a DocuSign envelope using the envelope ID. If you need to confirm that a DocuSign document is the correct one, the envelope ID is one of the easiest and most reliable details to check. This process helps you match the document you received with the exact envelope stored in your DocuSign account, so you can review it with confidence. To begin, open the DocuSign email or the document that contains the envelope you want to verify. Take a moment to look through the message or the document details carefully until you find the envelope ID. This is usually listed as a unique reference number tied to that specific DocuSign envelope. Once you find it, copy the envelope ID exactly as it appears. It's important to copy the full ID without leaving out any characters, because even a small difference can bring up the wrong result or no result at all. Next, open the DocuSign website and sign in to your account. After you're logged in, go to the Manage section. This is where you can view and organize your envelopes, and it's also where you can search for a specific one. In the search field, search for the envelope ID you copied earlier. You can type it in manually, but pasting it is usually the safest option because it helps avoid mistakes. Enter or paste the envelope ID into the search bar and wait for the matching results to appear. When you see the results, select the envelope that matches the ID you entered. Open the envelope details so you can review the information more closely. This is the key part of the verification process. Now compare the envelope ID shown inside DocuSign with the ID you received in the email or document. Make sure they match exactly. You'll want to check the full value carefully, not just the beginning or end. After that, review the envelope status and the document information. This gives you extra confirmation that you're looking at the correct DocuSign envelope. For example, the status and document details should align with what you expect based on the envelope you received. Finally, verify that the envelope ID matches the correct DocuSign envelope. If the IDs are identical and the document information looks right, you've successfully confirmed that the envelope is the correct one. Thanks for watching.